Hi, it's Marieta. Thank you so much for tuning in. In this video, I want to focus on 3 ways to get a visa for immigrant entrepreneurs if you want to move to United States with your business and run your company in United States legally. Stick around. So, before I dive deeper, I want to say I made another video where I did talk about how you start your business in the United States as a foreign female entrepreneur, and so if you missed that video, definitely check it out. I will be linking it here for you. Now in this video, I want to give you basically 3 ways you can get your visa, because obviously you cannot live in the United States without visa and run your business legally. You need a particular visa for that. So the option number 1 is E2 visa. With E2 visa, you actually need to invest. You have to invest a substantial amount of capital, anywhere from 50 to $500,000. I have helped people to get E2 anywhere in that range. It depends on you, your business, and again, this is usually strategy I work on with my clients privately. We develop the business strategy, we develop the business investment strategy. How much do you really need to invest so it makes sense for your business? But also, what are the startup costs that you need in order for you and your business to not to be marginal but profitable? And again, this is a process I've done myself as an immigrant. That is exactly what I've been through myself personally. I went from a student to E2 visa to E2 visa investor to green card holder through entrepreneurship. So I know the process personally very well, and I have helped other entrepreneurs to do the same. Now, you have to understand, with E2 you have to invest, okay? So if you don't have any investment, you have to obviously generate the funds. You have to first generate the funds, and I have actually upcoming business coaching program for immigrant boss babes. If you want to learn how you start your business, how you turn your passion into profit, how you start your profitable company and make your first $10,000, you are welcome to register. The link to register is below this video. Now, that's why I said you can actually start with your business, start making money with that business, but still, I would absolutely, additionally to that, get the funds. And there are different ways you can get the funds, and that is something that I'm actually teaching and helping my clients to do if you don't have any funds. But if you have funds, then there are basically 2 ways. If you have your own funds, you can get started by investing into your company, but you have to understand that you actually need to show that you have invested this money, these funds. So if you just wire them to your account in US from your home country, that is not counted as an investment. You have to show that these funds were invested into different sources, different startup costs, and so on. So that's option number 1. Option number 2 is if you're someone who has no funds, but you are working on a startup and you own at least 10% in that company, in that startup, and you were able to raise $250,000, you would qualify for the recent entrepreneur parole rule. This rule was actually introduced back in 2017, then it was put on hold, and now is back. And so I made a video specifically on this topic. I will link it here for you. I talk about the requirements, and if you are interested to apply for this parole rule, you're welcome to book and schedule a call with me. Link is below, and we can brainstorm if you would qualify. So it is usually for people who were able to raise funds, and minimum of that is $250,000. So if you were not able to raise any funds, but you maybe have your own funds, maybe you have $50,000 or so or more, then you would qualify for E2. However, what if you are not from E2 treaty country and therefore you don't qualify for E2 investor visa? In that case, I have option number 3, which is L visa. Now, L visa is a good strategy for existing business owners. This is for those who are not able to apply for E2, however, they are already operating business back home. If you are already running an operating business back home, you are able to expand that business, open up affiliated office in the United States, and apply for L1A Visa. Now, what if you don't run any business back home? For those people who want to open up new business, for those ladies that want to start business back home and you need help, I highly recommend you actually join that program, the business coaching program. Link is below, because in that program we will validate your idea. We will actually get clear on who you want to serve, why you want to serve. We're going to create the premium offers, and we're going to actually get you started making $10,000. and it is a wonderful way for service-based entrepreneurs, specifically service-based entrepreneurs. That is exactly how I started myself with my first company. I started to make money because it's service-based, and all the strategies and techniques I am sharing in that business coaching program. So once you establish that business back home, after 1 year, you will be able to open up that affiliated office in the United States, and then you could apply for your L1A visa. So these are the 3 strategies how you can actually get started, how you can move to the US, start a business as an immigrant female entrepreneur. I hope you enjoyed these videos. For those who are interested to dig deeper, A, sign up for that business coaching program. And number 2, you can book a call with me, one-on-one call. Link is below in this video. And if you're new to my channel, make sure to subscribe and stay tuned for my upcoming videos. Have a great day.